One of the things that happened was that the mag compass on that helicopter never functioned the same way as it did before. At times, it would just spin on its own.
Really?
And then it would stop. And it would point someplace that it shouldn't be pointing to. It was weird. It was replaced later.
Unfortunately, that piece of hard evidence appears to have been destroyed and the story covered up.
Did you ever talk to each other about, like, hey, should we talk to the public about this?
There was some sensitivity about being embarrassed. I mean, who are these kooks who saw a UFO? That permeated some of the discussions that we had the next day. And Saturday morning, both Janicek and Healy came out, and they both had sketched what they saw. And interestingly, both had sketched very similar objects.